How to create a new signature and save in photos in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open photos and then open a photo and click on edit option. On top you can see the markup icon. Now click on markup icon and then click on this plus icon. In second last you can see the option add signature. Now click on add signature and click on add or remove signature. Now here you can remove your signature and add a new signature. Now here you can add a new signature and then click on done, and your signature will be added on your photo and then click on done. So this is the way to add new signature and save in photos in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.